especially omo matches on boy e wo ye efie omo a publish bibia na omo se ba ya peno gas fa pen ni paper na franco afane de come na won kasa won so wa fa ye wo de so and if there's an institution na se omo decide say okay batch bi e ball fie de nya ye virtual sea challenge de ye nyina no yenye accounts from famna yana de na kacha wo.
Like first of all, remember the management of Asante Kotoko Abaso. They've done very well. Adena omaye no say omo ebu sika na buy from gate process ho akonta de ache supporters no Ike me bomba so bebre so oko ba bia ye run football no in quote professionally sa no bebre na omo ye
in quote professionally
yes sa no bebre na omo ye no enne so ofa fun sesi ya na so ka so ope Barcelona for omo financial statement awon sabeka ye be studio me hwe Arsenal for de omo so last year omo sisika omo nya bia from gate process omo de buy Chelsea for the omo de aba most of the clubs omo de ba it is Asante Kotoko management so e follow suit I me bomb about in fact omo de nimpo to me e more detailed than the me who from Arsenal for them because Arsenal they can scan nya na de boom de buy ba Kotoko de no Chelsea match we nya say and so no we are scan nya boom so like me board the management of Kotoko Abaso sa de no my e ma supporters ni hu say sika sei e na stadium na ye ko ni nya ye enti de sika ni so no wan kasa obetimi ni supporters na kasa say omomra because the more na mo ba no the more na nya sika and ade e ma mani ji wo so no say e basika Kotoko e receive na mo chim omo ye gross ne de enko and omo ye net ne de enko because ade ba ko a Ike net e dada manfo so beti yes oh Kotoko ball match we and ebia sika ni nyina was be 2 billion nduti yi Kotoko nya 2 billion there be yetiti here be de Kotoko benya no anwompo half kra na ankodu and omo tiem gross de nie net de nie no de specifically e ba Asante Kotoko na I think say omo ya de having said that I may draw some deductions from listener and I say Adena Kotoko management in Ediaban.
Okay.
In mass, you have be mean. Mean. MEAN.
Okay.
And mean no say yeah the stats, say the figures be able say finding the average of Sanyo money na Ike. Yeah na a bow hunu on average. Nipadodua a bus stadium for every home game. A bow hunu on average. Sika Kotoko enya on every home game and no and Ike me analysis no
okay
looking at club I from say Asante Kotoko Ike on average nipa Kotoko home matches 20 number in na no buy on Ike 4,194 on average it say home games ni na okani pay boy ni na okani na boom now divided by the number of home games na 20 na amount now Benyan Ike 4,194 said you money for over 40,000 it is only a little over 4,000 it says Kotoko home games ni na no Ike 10% and a neighbor
out of 100
yes out of 100 10% and a neighbor and so the way any mathematician that's what nasi and work average ni who say 10% and out of 100 no game be anomo by Ike it said the attendance was very poor.
That's me the
very poor.
The amount of phone so.
Oh yes.
Say who stars here the management of Asante Kotoko dey by Ike. Na say o hwehwem na say o tietie ma o di ma any professor obia oni mass bia na say Ike of finding average na 4,194 any
etimo amosho live on Facebook no Asante Kotoko abu akonta na dey live on Facebook wetin na hwe na onso no wa make you did sense a bit ntimo do na live on Facebook me dey ye na to no
finding the average of the attendance no a little over 4,000 which represents 10% and the chances of Kotoko match be 90% emba 10 and ever which is very bad for a big club like Club Yakumasi Asante Kotoko. That is my first deduction. The second one sika e ba Asante Kotoko from the gate and yet virtual city no from the gate I so ba honso a say okay kaska na Kotoko nya from the gate nyina bom na say u divide na say o find the average na I and also say home game bia Kotoko boy bia no Kotoko nya 55,255
55,000
which is 550 million in dollars no approximately $7,000
in terms of gross
yes. Okay. 7,000 me connect the Kotoko angasa net $7,000 every game. And Ike.
$5
Okay, so 55,000 Ghana cedis, which is a little over 550 million. And then on average, home game be a Kotoko be as a Kawunian on average. And I think so for a big team to say Kotoko, the expenses are a bit come in the week because when no week be an home game, 2 weeks be an hour.
And for record purposes, Osha Akuntia Kotoko Buya or match on boy ya any pan kokra. Was against the Chelsea.
Yeah.
In the Stadium here, 1,177.
Yeah.
Match the Koboy in the Stadium pa. A Kotoko's game against us. 15,248.
And I don't know how say game of Nipa pay 15,000 out of 40,000. And then how reho.
Now I engage in 20 me a man.
Yeah.
Na maybe so mo say enipa call baba ya da kohwe house ne eye Bechem United na me buso mo no mo say o de na do so pa ne ye aduana fence Bechem Kotoko combine
yeah
and am say Kotoko Bechem combine no so osa chemu a Kotoko for the do so pa tim ka say Kotoko for kohwe sa match o me ahwehwe ne mu asif yes asif I know say na sadi we say e be babo
because Ike to be very honest say oh share sadie ya omode abe ya e kire say the supporters of Asante Kotoko
they were disappointed
omo adwuma ye next season
they were disappointed
very honest omo adwuma and I couldn't say we no affecting the players on the field of play
to some extent
say over top 5 games are man for ankopa Kotoko winning only one top 5 games are man for ankokora no Kotoko winning only one
really
e Chelsea so ma ya na affected the performance
match game
game man ankokora was Bekum Chelsea dey na akan no Kotoko lusu ye
okay
who you through the second game man ankokora was Legon Cities Kotoko lusu ye
okay
who you through the third game man ankokora was Accra Lions and Kotoko winning who you through the fourth game man for ankokora was King Faisal and Kotoko lusu ye the FA Cup and then the fifth game man for ankokora was RTU and Kotoko ball draw. And in the top 5 games, no man Kotoko won only one and lost 3. And say aside say omo team ni years can. Also have players no on the field of play. Omo team the needed results na Kotoko no. And like I feel say Sadio way am penny for the money bend them once again me say omo baso. E ya dia e be bo Kotoko abusu ko ni na omo team dia yo omo wodro. Kotoko ko Africa no. Africa is cow. Ube here supporters no. I can teams mean for your local clubs here and compare the teams in Europe. Oh yes, I'll be highly unfair to them.
Yeah.
But ube to me use now they are comparative analysis. As na forcing on home game be around £8 million. Just one home game. It is as na case over player be
as na money
yes, £8 million. It I say as na case over player be £250,000 a week. But him say about one home game obenya $8 million. And you 250,000 no enya den. Yeah, taka say na Kotoko nkofa player be na be $10,000 be kra mo former star players na. On the average Kotoko bo home game bia sika omunya ni in dollars $7,000. Ndubele ko for $5,000. Ultimi
a single player
ultimi
no mark wada homo
ultimi ye taka say Kotoko ko for be na Kotoko man $8,000 $10,000. So Kotoko bo home game this season on average in dollars sika omunya no $7,000. E to be that for be so be must any $10,000. Enye enti I think say this season there Kotoko team no dey omoji league. The management is why are there in terms of sponsorship. And this one side they will say, but I feel that supporters they were disappointed. Per the man there.
Franco, Kofi.